Okay. So we have had people talk about your academic stuff. We have had people talk about the hostel stuff. There is another aspect of your student life, which in regards to health and healthy. For pursuing many of the things which the director has said are which will become part of your life, you need to be healthy. So, oops, there is nobody to operate the thing for me. Okay. Yes, please. Thank you. So, to do all the things, you need to be healthy. So, we have had the next slide, please. So, we have a small health clinic available on the campus. Most of this stuff, information is given in the various handouts that you have been given as a part of your information brochure. Please take a look at those. Don't throw it away. Okay, so it'll have a lot of useful information. At least read it once. Yeah. Otherwise, everything is available on the intranet. Right? There is a intranet. You will know what all these things are. Okay, so the health clinic caters to roughly about 2,200 people, which includes 1,800 students. But remember that health clinic is not the hospital, which means that it's not 24/7 business, 24/7 thing. But we have, for a good portion of the day, we have healthcare professionals available on the campus for all kinds of, treatments, allopathic, homeopathic, Ayurvedic. We used to have a physiotherapist, but now we even have student counselors and so on, right? Next slide, please. Next slide, Sachin. There you go. So the other thing which have been which we have noticed is that mental health is one of the new epidemics among the teens, among the people of your age. There are several reasons for that. Anyway, so we will maybe we can discuss about tomorrow, because I think we are preparing them for the 5 o'clock lectures. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next slide. We'll come back to this tomorrow possibly. Okay. So next slide. Anyway, we'll do it. Okay, so there is a general process for addressing the various medical ailments that you might have. For small ailments during the day, you can approach the nurse who is at Arogya. Oh, by the way, how many people know where Arogya is? First quiz question. Good. If you don't know where it is, find out, right? It's at some point of time in the 4 or 5 years you are on the campus, you will need to go there to get, minor scratches that you have had when you had a minor fall and things like that, right? So it's easy and a quick way to get medical assistance. So there is a nurse during the daytime. We have doctors who come to the campus regularly. And if there is something that cannot be addressed at the Arogya, we usually send the students with the help of the medical van that's available on the campus to the various hospitals nearby. There are several, as Professor Reddy said, Gachibowli has become the center of the city. There are several multi-speciality hospitals. Depending upon what the ailment is, we send them directly to those places so that the student's health can be efficiently taken care of. Okay, next slide. Yeah, okay, a quick one. So we, as a part of your tuition fees, a small part, I don't remember the number, but a small part is kept aside for the student medical reimbursement fund. This is not to be considered as it is like an insurance plan for the students, but it's not, I'm requesting the parents not to consider this as a primary insurance. I am requesting them to seriously thinking about having a good insurance plan from the whole family, considering how the medical expenses how expensive medical care has become in India. Okay, especially good medical care. And whatever. So all these document regarding how you can access the student medical reimbursement fund will be available on the intranet. And I suspect that it's one of the brochures that's given with you in the information brochure. Okay. Oh, yeah. So one thing which the representative of the Dean Academics forgot to tell you is that we have an 85% attendance rule. Yeah, it's actually, no, sorry. I should correct it. Thank you for correcting me. It's 100% attendance rule, right? So that's why he didn't have to say it apparently. That's what he's shouting from the back. But we do realize that there will be instances which you cannot control. where, I mean, I don't know, you have a headache, you have a serious cold, and things like that, right? Sometimes you didn't wake up in time, whatever, you watch your movie too. So there is this, it's reduced to this 85%. Expected is 100%, but 85% is the attendance that is required for you to not to have any grade penalty, right? So, but this does not, so this 15% is there for minor sicknesses and so on, right? And you can apply for a medical leave if you are out of commission for 4 continuous days, 4 continuous class days, right? Okay. So again, the rule document for this is also available on the intranet, right? And you need to apply it in properly in time as soon as you join back and things like that. Okay. That's it. Where's the last slide? Okay. Anyway, so I think he has the unfinished. I was still typing when I was pushed from there to here. But anyway, let me end by giving you a general medical advice, right? Health advice. What is it? One, don't wear wet clothes, which means that you have to learn how to get your clothes cleaned properly in time. Yeah, don't wear wet clothes. Don't eat warm food cold. Don't eat cold food warm. Right? Ice cream पिघलने के बाद मत खाना. हाँ, खाना जब गर्म होती है तब खाना. Hostel में we have spent enormous amount of effort in making sure that food that meets the dietary requirements of people of your age is being prepared in the 4 hostels. Right? There's actually a faculty member who oversees all this business along with the student mess committee. Right? So eat meals 3 times a day. Breakfast. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Sleep is, yeah. Eat 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay? All of it is right on the campus. What is the longest distance between the 2 points on the campus? Quick question number 2 of the quiz. Guess. So I have been on interview panel for roughly 1/4 of you, I'm sorry. So you would have had in these panels, somebody ask you questions, estimate something. So what is the longest distance? Yeah, what is it? What is the distance? आधा किलोमीटर. ठीक है. Okay. Check. Yeah. So everything is reasonably close, right? So there is no reason for you to miss breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay. That's point number 3. Point number 4 is get good sleep. Okay, what does it mean? For the people of your age, the medical research has shown that it's 7 to 8 hours a day. Sorry, I should not forget that, right? 7 to 8 hours a day. Yeah. So every 24 hours, you need to sleep 7 to 8 hours, right? You need to eat 3 times in a day, right? All this is well-known medical information. Okay? So, which means that you have to plan out your day. You will find that with so much excitement of new place, new people, new experiences, you will find that you tend to lose track of time. And of course, they are seniors, right? Yeah. But you still need to remember that in all this hangama, you still have to maintain your academic performance. Okay, sleeping well is important. And finally, probably the most important one, as the director has already pointed out, you need to know how to get help when you need it. You need to know when you need help. You need to know how to get that help, right? To be the most effective student, learner, teacher, whatever you want to be. Is that okay? Right? And because I'm the medical warden, I'm telling you that in case of any medical ailment, you need to, you should feel free to approach Arogya for either physical ailments, mental health ailments, whatever they might be, right? There are, in regards to academic stuff, there are other people who will say something about how help can be obtained, right? There is non-academic stuff which is happening in your life. So there are various avenues in which you can get help. So you need to know when to when to figure out when you are in trouble, right? Whom to approach for help. There is a right person to approach or right group of people to approach, right? And get the help that you need. Okay, with those 4 points, I'll stop for today. I'm speaking tomorrow possibly. Yeah. Okay, thank you.